Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the RED One KLCC. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a bar. The RED One KLCC. The RED offers air-conditioned accommodation in Kuala Lumpur. A fitness room are available for guests. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk and a concierge service for guests. At the hotel, all rooms are equipped with a desk. Rooms are equipped with a private bathroom with a shower and selected rooms will provide you with a balcony. All rooms at the RED are equipped with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. A continental breakfast is served every morning at the property. Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport is 10.6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.